just did my workout on the kitchen floor on my coat because I can't find my yoga mat. And I think I'm going down with a cold. I can't find anything, but I managed to find some leggings. This is nearly a sports bra, but it's okay. And my coat for my yoga mat. And that's it. Oh, and some socks, which are now filthy because the ground is so dirty. My lips are really dry. Last night I couldn't find any of my toiletries, so I didn't go to bed with any skincare done, or like, I mean, I did take off my makeup. That was the only thing I could find, but I couldn't find like moisturizer or like toner, anything like that. So everything's just a bit of a mess right now. I just can't wait for it all to be done. Good morning and welcome back to What I Ate Wednesday. I'm sorry the kids are not here. This morning was madness. Total madness. We're lucky we got out alive. Basically, we're in our new house, if you can't tell already, and we moved yesterday. It was supposed to be a 2-day move, but I mean, I don't want to be negative Nancy or anything, but the movers kind of messed up because they did basically a half day the first day, and then we were screwed the second day, which was yesterday. So everything's still, not everything, a lot of things are unpacked. I actually paid for an unpacking service as well. Thankfully she comes today as well as yesterday, so she helped out yesterday and then she's gonna help me out today. But there's so much stuff. I mean, it's 6 people and gonna be 6 dogs, so it is mental. There's still loads of mess you can't see because you're kind of, everything's hiding from you, but I will show you guys. So I'm trying to make my breakfast, but I can't find anything. So I've got porridge, which is not the same as usual. It's an instant porridge. I found my almond milk, and I'm gonna have to make this in the microwave because I don't think the electrics are working in our hob yet. I don't know where my raisins are, so I'm not gonna be able to do raisins. I think I could probably find some cinnamon. And then to make matters even more difficult, we have to go to the school today for the school nativity, and like Jonathan and I, really the last thing we need to do is other things. Like, we kind of just need to stay here and just get everything done, and he has to work as well. I don't think I'm gonna put up videos the rest of this week. I just don't think it's gonna be possible. I'll see how, but honestly I don't think it's gonna happen. I wasn't even gonna film this, but then I thought, you know what, I'm gonna document it because I'm gonna want to look back. It's also freezing, and just see the mess and see the chaos for what it really was, you know. And here is all the boxes and the mayhem and the chaos. Yeah, it's not good. It's not good. And this is the dog garden, which is basically a dump right now. So that's cool. That's cool. I don't know where my scissors. Oh, are my scissors there? Oh, yes. We're winning. Right, let's pour some of this bad boy in. Oh God, that was a lot. Okay, that was tons. Okay, all right. We're ODing on cinnamon today. We don't have any spoons. No. Crap. I could use this ice cream scoop. Oh my God. Or this tiny whisk. Found my dates. Can't find my raisins, unfortunately, but we've got blueberries, so it's all okay. Oh my gosh, a spoon. I'm also obviously breastfeeding, and look what I'm wearing. Like, I can't wear this to the school nativity, guys. This is an embarrassment. An embarrassment. Also breastfeeding, which makes me really hungry, so I'm starving. I'm gonna pop this in the microwave. Hope to good God that it, no. Hope to God that it doesn't explode. It probably will. I managed to find some porridge and the coffee machine, so I made a coffee. So this is gonna be my breakfast. Oh, and I'm gonna get some blueberries as well from the fridge. I do know where the fridge is, so this seems to have expanded as well. I think this is a different kind of porridge. I don't know what happened. And that is breakfast finally made. It is now, oh, what time is it?
11 or something?
It's 20 to 12. We're just back from the school nativity. I can't find my bowls. I can't find anything except for this measuring cup. So I've got some dried fruit and nuts in here that I'm just snacking on. Andrea had so much fun at the nativity. I managed to find a Christmas jumper and just some mismatched items that I could get my hands on, but they have done a great job on the kitchen so far. I'll show you guys in a minute. Jonathan's making a coffee. And yeah, I'm just gonna snack on these before I put Andrea down to bed. So this is what the kitchen looks like now. As you can see, all of the boxes have been unpacked pretty much. There's a couple more, but...
Husbands have been unpacked.
I like the little coffee station over here.
No,
that's quite cute. It's definitely an improvement from this morning, that's for sure. I like this section here where you just can't see any mess.
I'm sure all the kitchen stuff from yesterday.
The kitchen is looking worse again because the movers have come back and delivered more stuff. So
except for cutlery.
That's great. Except for cutlery. I did make myself a wrap. It's ham and cheese with pickle. I can't find any veggies, so there's no veggies here. It's just
we have one spoon between us. We're sharing the spoon.
Jonathan's having leftovers for lunch, but yeah, like literally, we just cleaned up this kitchen, and it's a mess of boxes again. But it's fine. My room is being done. The babies are sleeping. It's what is it, like 1:41. I don't have that much time, but yeah, I'm just trying to power through as many boxes as possible. It is now 5:21 and we've got Wagamamas for dinner because this thing is not working yet, so no one can cook anything. But regardless, I wouldn't have even had time to cook because it's just madness today. I feel like I'm getting more and more tired as the day goes on and more bedraggled looking. But I did get Wagamamas. I got Yaki Udon, which is my absolute fave. And Jonathan should be joining me soon, but he is still working. Also, his office is now in a really far away place compared to before. Like, this house is a lot bigger than our old one. So I'm not used to that, so I have to like text him if I want to. I can't just call him. Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bit wet.
Oh, is this the second load?
This is stuff that was in the garage.
Oh, right.
The white table.
Oh yeah, good.
And your Hoover.
Great.
Is it got light down there?
Has it got what?
Any light down here?
I'd have to ask Jonathan. Movers are just bringing in the last bits. And I'm gonna eat this now. I'm not gonna wait for Jonathan. It is now, oh my god, I didn't realize it was that late. It is now 25 to 9. I'm sorry that you guys are crooked, but we're working with an Amazon Echo and a water filter. Alex is here, and the real reason why she's here is because I'm going to Manchester tomorrow for the benefit meet and greet, so she's sorting my hair out, but then Jonathan got a haircut as well, because he just likes to muffle in on my time. Just kidding. So I made Alex and me hot chocolates, and I used this green and blacks organic. I actually haven't had one of these in ages, but I made one for the kids the other day, and then it got me thinking about it. And then I used whole milk, and then I'm gonna have 2 of these. These are amazing. No, the kids drink it, and I drink it sometimes as well. Yeah, Frosty Fancies, and apparently they're Alex's favorites too. So we're in good company tonight. After this, I'm gonna head to bed because I need to get up for 5 tomorrow. So yeah, it's really fun. I also filled my water bottle up again
This is the third time. I'm trying to drink more water because I'm really not drinking enough during this move, and my lips are really dry as well. So we have this and head to bed. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more. I upload Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays when I'm uploading. Obviously my upload schedule has been rubbish lately because we've been moving. But yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.